state institutions, are these people that are supposed to, and then if we have council of state and then any other public office holder that you can think of, ministers, deputy ministers, and all that, they should declare their asset. And these assets include, people that they even owe money, things that they owe. If they owe you money that they have to pay, assuming office or leaving office, they have to declare this as a landed properties, cars, jewelries, and monies and all that. They have to declare. But like you are saying, in 2013, we passed the Public Office Holders Act, which is also known as Asset Declaration or Declaration of Asset and Disqualification Act. And this act has pushed the asset declaration law, what the position of the Constitution, from declaring before assuming office to 6 months into the office. And even with that 6 months, they are not doing it until, last week that we had that ruling from the Supreme Court that they should do it. So, I mean, if we have our members of parliament that they are making the laws for us, then they must be law abiding. Okay. And then the asset declaration law is one of the major tools that we can easily use to, fight, or we can use to war against corruption. Okay. And if you remember, this is not the first time that we are doing this. The Fourth Estate started the asset declaration story and investigation in 2022. And in 2022, we found that 180 MPs did not declare their assets and liabilities. And that was more like a larger part of a larger number of public office holders, about 294 of them that did not declare. Fast forward last year, when President Mahama took office, he promised that, he is not going to entertain corruption and all that. He declared his asset. He made a fanfare of it. He invited the media to cover it and warned his appointees, gave them ultimatum to do that, right? And so we waited for the time to elapse, and then we went in there and we realized that 54 of John Mahama's appointees failed to declare the asset. And following our investigation, the president, summoned these appointees and then directed that they go and declare it, or he will get them sacked from their public offices.